Desiree Schlotz was born in Maryland, USA. She currently resides in California, USA. She is active on various social media platforms. Her sensual and perfect pictures have caught the attention of many big fashion retail brands. This beautiful model has worked with various brands like Fashion Nova, Opali, and Giorgio. Height in centimeter 178 cm in feet 5 feet 8 inches. Weight is 55 kilograms. Eye color is dark brown. Hair color is blonde. Desiree has never spoken about her relationships, but her fans got to know about her relationship with Dan Bilzerian, who is the owner of Ignite, actor, gambler and internet personality, when Desiree uploaded a picture with Dan on her Instagram in 2019. She is without a doubt a master of her craft. Her modeling gigs bring her in a pretty penny, and she is worth $1.5 million.